Hi everyone, welcome to Budget Like a Pro. If you're tired of feeling like your money is slipping away and want to take control of your finances, you're in the right place. Imagine if you could save money without sacrificing the things you love. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Struggling to manage your money? What if I told you budgeting can be done in just 5 simple steps? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a monthly budget, even if you've never done it before. Stick around till the end, because I've got a bonus tip that will help you stick to your budget without feeling restricted. Let's dive in. Step 1. Calculate your monthly income. The first step is to figure out exactly how much money you make in a month. This includes your fixed income, like your salary, side hustle earnings, or freelance work, any additional income, like bonuses or passive income. Pro tip: always calculate your take-home pay, the amount you get after taxes and deductions. Example: let's say your salary is $4,000 before taxes, but after deductions, you bring home $3,200. If you have a side hustle that earns you $500 a month, your total income is $3,700. Ask yourself, do you know your exact take-home pay? If not, grab your last paycheck or bank statement and find out. It's a game changer. Step 2. Track your expenses. Next, you need to track where your money is currently going. This is the most important step because it helps you identify spending patterns. Divide your expenses into 2 categories. 1. Fixed expenses. These are the essentials, like rent or mortgage, utility bills, insurance. 2. Variable expenses. These change from month to month, like groceries, entertainment, dining out pro. Tip: use a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB to automatically track your spending, or keep it simple with a notebook or spreadsheet. Example: if you're spending $1,500 on rent, $200 on utilities, $300 on groceries, and $200 on entertainment, that's $2,200 in total expenses. Knowing these numbers gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. What about you? Have you ever tracked your spending for an entire month? If not, give it a try. It might surprise you. Step 3. Use the 50-30-20 rule. Now, let's build your budget. One of the easiest and most effective methods is the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs. Essentials like rent, utilities, groceries, and insurance. 30% of your income goes to wants. Things you enjoy, like dining out, shopping, or hobbies. 20% of your income goes to savings and debt repayment, emergency funds, retirement savings, or paying off loans. Pro tip: adjust these percentages based on your financial goals. For example, if you want to save faster, allocate 25% or 30% to savings instead of 20%. Example: if your total income is $3,700, $1,850 goes to needs, rent, bills, groceries. $1,110 goes to wants, dining out, entertainment. $740 goes to savings or paying off debt. Visual tip: use a pie chart to visualize how the 50-30-20 rule works. It's a simple way to see where your money is going. Step 4. Identify and cut unnecessary expenses. Once you have your expenses outlined, it's time to find areas where you can save. Ask yourself, are you spending on things you don't really need or use? Common examples: unused subscriptions like Netflix, gym memberships. Too much eating out or buying coffee every day. Pro tip: use a 30-day rule for non-essential purchases. Wait 30 days before buying something expensive. Often, you'll realize you don't actually need it. Example: if you're spending $50 a month on unused subscriptions and $200 on eating out, cutting those down can save you $150 to put towards savings or paying off debt. Have you ever found an expense you didn't realize was draining your budget? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to know. Step 5. Review and adjust your budget. regularly. The final step is to review your budget every month. Life changes, and so will your expenses. Regular reviews help you stay on track and make adjustments as needed. Pro tip: use your first month as a trial run. Don't aim for perfection right away. Focus on understanding your spending habits. Example: if your utility bill goes up in winter, you might need to adjust by spending less on dining out or entertainment that month. Flexibility is key to sticking to your budget. Bonus tip: automate your savings. And here's the bonus tip I promised: automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account right after you get paid. Pro tip: treat your savings like a fixed expense. Pay yourself first, and you'll never have to worry about what's left over. Example: if you transfer $200 automatically every month, by the end of the year, you'll have $2,400 saved without even thinking about it. So, there you have it. These are the 5 simple steps. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving your money a purpose and achieving your goals. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Budget, like a pro for more tips on managing your money, saving smarter, and building wealth. And drop a comment below to share your biggest budgeting challenge. I'd love to help or even make a video on it. Your financial freedom starts here, so let's take the first step together. Until next time, stay smart and take charge of your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.